Tineco Stretch S6. The floor cleaning ninja, 180 degrees flex, flash dry speed, dirt's worst nightmare. Say goodbye to dusty corners, sticky spills, and cleaning woes with the Tineco Floor 1 Stretch S6 cordless wet dry vacuum cleaner. This futuristic cleaning machine is your all-in-one solution for tackling tough messes, reaching impossible corners, and leaving your floors sparkling clean. Its 180 degrees lay-flat design means no dust bunny is safe, effortlessly gliding under furniture with ninja-like agility. From hardwood to laminate, this versatile powerhouse conquers any surface with precision. Lightweight, cordless, and smart, it's here to revolutionize your cleaning game. What makes the Tineco Stretch S6 the ultimate cleaning MVP? Meet Flashdry Self-Cleaning, which heats water to 158 degrees Fahrenheit to dissolve stains, deep clean the brush, and dry everything in just 5 minutes, no funky odors, no downtime. Add in HyperStretch Technology, letting the vacuum compress to just 5.1 inches, and you'll clean those awkward underbed spaces like a pro. With triple-sided edge cleaning, it hugs baseboards tighter than your favorite jeans, leaving no speck of dirt behind. Say hello to pristine floors and goodbye to excuses. Packed with smart features, the Stretch S6 offers 3 cleaning modes: auto for everyday messes, max for heavy-duty spills, and suction for targeted cleanups. Its iLoop smart sensor adjusts power and water usage automatically, saving battery life while delivering spotless results. A 40-minute runtime ensures you'll clean the entire house without recharging. Need a break? The repositioned clean water tank and mini assistive wheels make this vacuum a breeze to maneuver, reducing strain and maximizing efficiency. Built to last, this beauty is not just a cleaner, it's an investment in quality and convenience. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it captures allergens and ensures your indoor air stays as fresh as your floors. Unlike traditional vacuums that struggle with wet messes or clunky maintenance, the Tineco Stretch S6 is a tech-tested, durable companion designed for modern living. Customers rave about its ease of use, saying it makes cleaning less of a chore and more of a satisfying experience. Why settle for boring, outdated vacuums when the Tineco Floor 1 Stretch S6 offers a futuristic cleaning adventure? Its sleek design, smart features, and unmatched performance set it apart from the rest. Perfect for busy households, pet owners, or anyone tired of bending over backward to reach hidden dirt, this vacuum mop hybrid is worth every penny. Make cleaning faster, smarter, and dare we say, fun? Let the Stretch S6 take the load off your hands. Grab yours today and enjoy spotless floors without breaking a sweat.